Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about a DIY color learning activity for toddler. Things you'll require are ruler, scissor or knife, ice cream sticks, eraser, pencil, glue, old cardboard sheet, palette, paintbrush, acrylic paints, white chart paper cut into small sheets. Take a plate or any circular object and trace an outline. Cut it using a scissor or an X-Acto knife. Draw 3 lines, one straight and 2 diagonal to make 6 partitions as shown here. Now paint each section with the color of your choice. The colors I have chosen are green, yellow, red, orange, blue, purple, black. Finally, draw borders between each section using black paint. Draw and paint desired objects on the chart paper. Make sure it matches with the colors painted on the wheel. Now cut the ice cream sticks into 2 halves. Glue the stick to the back of the chart paper. Here are some of the cards that I have prepared. Voila! Now your kid can learn and have fun matching the colors.